In this video, you will see how to change language in Excel online. To change language in Excel online, you will need to go to the main menu bar and then click on the file option. After clicking on the option, at the bottom you will see the options. Click on these options and you will see the regional and you will see this regional format settings. To change your regional format settings for Excel for the web, just click on this option and here you will see select your preferred regional format for Excel for the web. Just click on the drop down and select the language you want. After selecting the language, just click on change and that's it. This is how you can change language in Excel online. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Excel online quickly. See you again in the next one.